are on. So for those who didn't watch the first part of the interview, this is basically a continuation of that. I am in conversation with Aphiwe Magida, and it's part 2 of that conversation because internet, yeah, and yeah, we were just trying to find our feet again, and we are back. He is back. Aphiwe, how are you feeling now? How
Yes.
are you feeling? Because I was a bit anxious.
Yes, I'm anxious. Yeah. How am I feeling? I'm feeling anxious. Yeah, I'm
You're
feeling
anxious,
anxious.
ne? No, please calm down.
Yes.
Please calm down.
Okay.
Please calm down. It's okay. I'd be like that. Hey, the digital world is a lot, and we're still trying to, find our feet with it. But for those who didn't watch the first interview, please introduce yourself again. Who is Aphiwe Magida?
Okay. Aphiwe Magida is the founder of Back to School. Back to School is a non-profit organization that runs monthly workshops at the Central Library in the American Corner space. So these workshops are about teaching young artists about the commercial side of art, about building your brand as an artist, about going to school to study the art that you are doing, and about learning the business of art, learning the commercial side of art. And Aphiwe Magida is also a triple published author. The first poetry anthology that I was published in, it was back in 2013. I was 16 by that time, doing grade 10 under the mentorship of Mzima Hola, who is an international poet who has been published many times, whereby my short stories and poems were published there. And then my second publication was in Ukombela Poetry Anthology under Cypher. And then the third one is an international publication which raises awareness, mental awareness, and wellness through poetry. We published the anthology earlier this year. The title is Letting in the Light. Yeah, it's an international poetry anthology. That's me. I'm also a teacher too. I'm a qualified teacher. I teach life sciences,
Say,
natural science, and isiXhosa. Yep.
an
Okay.
artist that
Some of the
teaches.
things I can't say all of
Yeah,
them. Let me
no,
eat
yeah,
time.
no. I'm literally so amazed at the bio. Like, there's so much to you than just Aphiwe Magida. There's so much to you, and I'm just like, whoa, this guy. We are breathing and walking amongst greatness because hey, that is a lot. Let's talk about back to school. Ne? Why did you start the organization?
Okay. I've been performing and attending poetry slams for the longest time. And what I found in art is that we do art because of the passion, and there's nothing wrong with being passionate about the thing that you are doing, the art that you are doing. But at the same time, we do not know the commercial side of art. We do not know how to negotiate our rates. We do not know how to craft up a business plan so that we can submit that to potential sponsors who can sponsor our art journey and our art projects. So I started the whole initiative so that I can learn from it and so that others can learn too, because we call out or invite art specialists, not art specialists, art experts, people who know the field of art and people who know the industry of art and the business side of art to come and motivate, educate, and inspire the youth of Back to School during the workshops that we hold monthly in the American Corner. That's the whole reason behind creating the whole organization, to learn the business side of art.
Why do you think? Why do you think it's important for people to learn that side, the brand side and the commercial side of art? Because someone could say, listen, nah, I'm all about the art, everything else does not matter. You know, why must I be learning about the commercial side of art now? You know, isn't art just about art? What do you mean, Aphiwe?
Yeah, you know, there's a famous proverb that you cannot teach when you teach a fish to climb a tree, that fish will live its whole life thinking that it is dumb or it is stupid. So artists live through art. And so as much as we live through art, we can make art to I don't know how to put this. We can benefit out of art because we
Yeah,
live in a
we
world
can eat
whereby
from
we
it.
buy stuff, we buy bread and butter. So we need the money, you know, we need the money. But as an artist, you know, you must know that you are an entrepreneur. You are a business person. You sell your services and your products through art. So you must know how to handle your business, not just be pushed by. Okay, passion is correct, and it is very important.
It's
But
important, yes,
you must
you can't
know
take away
also
from that.
the you must know how to negotiate, how to structure, yeah, bona, your art, and how to benefit out of the art that you are doing, and how to live, because we live in a world whereby we need money to survive, you know. Yeah, that's about it. That is why it's important for you to, as an artist, to know the commercial side of art, so that you can make money out of it, as much as you are healing people and you are healing yourself
Yeah.
too.
Yeah, ish. And a lot of artists are not aware of the brand side of art, and they're easy to be exploited. So I think this is really important and good work that you are benefiting. So how does one then enroll for the lessons, do you guys have sessions? How does one go on about associating with you guys?
Okay, we run monthly workshops every first Saturday of the month at the Central Library. It's open for the public. So young artists come together the first Saturday of the month. They perform there, they receive their motivational speech and education for the day. But we take their details, you know, when they attend, for projects like the one that we have done, Kaapstad, which is a poetry anthology about telling the stories of Cape Town through poetry. So we call them the artists that attend, so that they can submit their poems. Their poems get published in that anthology, and then we sell the anthology to bookshops
Yeah.
and to people at large, and then that money goes directly to them. So it's a startup. It's more like a motivation, to know that, okay, I love poetry, fine, but I can benefit
Yeah.
from it, also. I can make money out of it, and I can be business minded, as much as I have this passion of art.
Yeah.
Yes.
And already secular ndio ba hey poet right now man.
Yeah,
Poets do
kukwesa
not have
stigma
money.
because we, yeah, it's kukwesa stigma because we too focused. It's okay to be focused on passion, I always say, but we must get away from
Monetize.
the from Lando Yokba. Okay, I'm just doing it for the love of it. It's fine, you are
Yeah.
doing it for the love of it, but you need bread, you need good shoes, you need to buy something out of what you are doing, you know, because you cannot. It's, as a teacher, I know from experience that you will never teach a hungry learner. That information will go this side and then come out that side. You will need to buy bread, obviously. So by needing bread, you have to know how to market your art. You have to know how to sell your art to people, so that you can get money to sustain yourself, you know. Yeah.
So is back to school
You get the
available for people
motivation.
who
Yeah.
are only in Cape Town? So what happens if I'm an Obuhle Sihu who is in Eastern Cape, and I'm like, listen, I love what you're doing and I would love to be a part of it. Please teach me. What happens then?
Mm. Unfortunately, because we've been running this for 2 years now, so we are still new in the business, and even the idea, I haven't seen it being done in any other organization. Um, so we are still located in the Cape Town only, in the CBDs, but we invite everyone who is in the Western Cape, but we cannot cater for other provinces yet because we do not have much resources to go there to expand our horizons and to just reach more people. You know, we want to be influential here first and find our ground and know that okay, we have changed many youngsters' lives, and they are evidence, they are testimony to the work that we are doing.
Have you seen
Yeah.
though the significance of your work so long, or is it still just the beginning stages? Because that's another thing,
Mm,
you know, you find a lot of
mm,
NPOs or a lot of people who are working with young people for a
mm,
certain cause, you know, for certain
mm,
results, but the results are not effective. Do you
mm.
feel that your work is effective, and have you seen the significance of your work?
Okay. I would like to make an example of a group, youngsters from PAL Mbekweni, new generation. The year that we started the organization, the Back to School organization, they were starting an a cappella group. I'm telling you now, from attending the Back to School workshops, they have a clothing brand that they benefit from because they know the commercial side of art as much as they are passionate about it. They have a group, a dancing group, which is booked. It's highly booked in Pal and surrounding towns, whereby they dance for weddings, for birthday parties, and the a cappella group inspired other groups, other young stars who can sing in Bekweni to start up their a cappella groups too, and they are already like benefiting from the a cappella songs that they release. Yeah, they've been in CTV, been in Hectic 99, they are recognized. They've been in PAL newspaper, in Table Talk newspaper. So they are pushing it. They are pushing it, and there are many other artists that are there, that come from us, that are our products, and that are testimony of the work that we are currently doing and we are continuing to do.
Kudos, man. Kudos. Love that. Love that. Also, so how do they get a hold of you? How do they sign up for the classes?
You don't sign up, you
Don't
just
sign up.
attend the workshops.
Oh, you
No, you
attend.
don't sign up. You attend and then we take the register. So
Oh,
we
okay.
take your
So,
information when you are attending.
oh, okay.
So you don't sign up. We do not have a link whereby you sign up and then we call you. No, you first come to the workshops, you put down your information, and then we contact you.
Is there a
And we
monetary fee?
No, there's no fee. It's a non-profit
It's
organization,
an
which means all
okay.
the services are free for youngsters. We help youngsters starting from 16 years until 25 years. That is the age group that we are currently working with. Anything above 25, I know that, like, okay.
That
I
is
hope
so
people
rude.
don't get offended, Ane.
That
we
is
we
rude.
do not have sponsors, guys, so we are trying our best to to plan, and like to plan according to the budget that we have, with the
Mm.
donations that we get from the public, from the community. So we cannot accommodate more than we already have, but we can accommodate people who come for help and who are in that age range, 16 to 25.
Mm. Yes, I was about to ask about that. Funding, Gubana, how do you guys fund the organization? And if people want to
Mm.
donate, how can they do that?
Okay, they can contact my number, which which is 063 526 1919, or email us at back2school2, which is the number, back2school.organization@gmail, or find us at Facebook, Back to School, which is 2 the number, organization. Like our page, follow, and you can even inbox.
Okay. When you gave out the number, the personal number, I was thinking, Emihle. I was like, this guy.
No,
I was thinking,
she understands.
she's a
She
creative.
understands.
Oh man, thank you so much for
She's the
talking to
vice
us.
chairperson, so yeah.
Oh, okay, we're building okay, I see you guys. I see you building empires. I see you.
Yes.
Thank you so much for talking to us, Aphiwe. We appreciate this. And hey, man, you know I love you. You know I love you.
Yeah.
And I want to apologize. Actually, I want to apologize on on a national platform. You know, I want to apologize for my wrongs. You know them, ne? I'm really sorry, my guy.
You're wrong.
I'm really. Oh, okay. You don't know. I come on. Thank you so much.
We'll talk privately.
We'll talk privately. But I apologize on a national platform. I want you to know that, and I'm looking forward to having a conversation with you, as Aphiwe Magida, not just Aphiwe Magida back to school, but as a creative. We should have that, a talk on creativity. It's gonna be loaded. Yes. Thank you so much. Okay. Wishing you all the best.
Thank you for inviting me. This is an honor to speak to someone who I look up to and who is doing great things. Like, you have been inspiring me. And I've been sharing your work because I feel like more people should know about the work that you do, and more young people should do what you do, should look up to you, and should be inspired to not sit around and dreaming, but to make their dreams come true. Yeah, so thank you for being you and for the work that you have done.
Emihle just joined and loved the video. Shout out to Emihle and Ricardo Wolskut. Listen, man, I'm coming to Cape Town next year. It's gonna be a lot. Yeah. It's gonna be a lot. Yeah. Looking forward to more of you. Thank you so much for joining us once again. Have it good. Enjoy the rest of your day.